IUBAT, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology, an environment designed for learning. Established back in 1991 with the visionary primary mission of human resources development through various educational processes by its founder and first Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M. Alimullah Mian. It is the first non-government university in Bangladesh. In these 30 years of journey, IUBAT has been able to contribute to the nation to a greater extent by producing quality graduates from every corner of the country. It has become one of the most prestigious places for education in Bangladesh and recently ranked 241 among 780 universities in the world in Green Matrix Index for University. The College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, CTHM, would like to take the opportunity to thank everyone associated with IUBAT in this journey and wishes happy 30th Foundation Day to our current students, proud alumni, faculty members, colleagues, education partners, potential employers, and everyone. May IUBAT prosper and shine more and more in coming days. Once again, happy 30th Foundation Day from the CTHM family.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings to all. I am Sheikh Irshad Hussain, Chair, College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. It is a great pleasure and honor to celebrate this grand occasion of 30th Foundation Day. I greet all family members of IUBAT on this glorious day on behalf of CTHM. I am very happy to see the dreams of Honorable late Vice Chancellor M. Alimullah Mian sir coming into reality, and hope with our combined effort and under the able guidance of VC sir, Professor Dr. Abdul Rob sir, IUBAT will become the best university in Bangladesh in near future. I thank again and Assalamu alaikum to all.
Happy 30th Foundation Day of IUBAT. This is Farzana Al-Firdaus, Coordinator of College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, wishing all the prosperities on this beautiful happy birthday day for our beautiful campus of IUBAT. And it is a very special day for all of us. We all the family members of IUBAT are very grateful to our Honorable Founder and Vice Chancellor, first Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M. Alimullah Mian sir, for developing this green and beautiful campus under the mission of human resource development. Thank you very much. Please pray for our university, pray for us. Once again, happy birthday. Thank you.
Happy birthday, IUBAT. It's been wonderful to have and see the 30th Foundation Day of IUBAT. And I would like to pay my gratitude to the community, those who are directly or indirectly related with IUBAT in this occasion. And I would also like to thank our late Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Alimullah Mian, for bringing this university in Bangladesh as first of its kind, because it is the first private university of Bangladesh. Hail IUBAT, hail Dr. Mian.
Greetings and wishes from the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, CTHM. Happy birthday, IUBAT. 30 years from now, in 1991, IUBAT, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology, has started its journey. And by now, it has become one of the best and prestigious education provider in the country. I would like to take the opportunity to thank everyone associated with the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management in this journey, especially the current student, our proud alumni, stakeholder, academician, everyone involved with the College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. And show my deepest respect to the man who is the pioneer of non-government university in Bangladesh, Professor Dr. M. Alimullah Mian. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. For the past 3 decades, IUBAT has made a valuable contribution to the socio-economical development of Bangladesh with the concept of knowledge-based area development and developing human resources in our country. Since 1991, with the visionary guidelines and enthusiastic mentorship of Professor Dr. M. Alimullah Mian, the pioneer of non-government universities in Bangladesh, guided IUBAT to ensure quality higher education, and IUBAT dedicates to provide not only teaching to the students but also nurture the leadership and managerial skills of the aim. As being an alumnus of this university as well as faculty member of CTHM, I would like to wish IUBAT for continuing success in future endeavors and many more brilliant milestones to come. Thank you very much.
Happy birthday to IUBAT. I'm Ajit Kumar Mondal from CTHM, College of Tourism and Hospitality Management, IUBAT, International University of Business, Agriculture and Technology. We are celebrating IUBAT Foundation Day 2021. In 1991, IUBAT has started the journey to develop the human resources which are directly contribute to our society and our country also. Best wishes for IUBAT.
Hello everyone, I am Mithun Kumar Mondal, Lab Chef of CTHM, College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Congratulations to IUBAT on this very big occasion. It has been a wonderful journey altogether. Let's hope for the best in this coming years. Happy 30th Foundation Day of IUBAT.